Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching PowerPoint and creating a file. This gets you into the app environment quickly. Once the blank presentation or selected template opens, make sure to set the slide size to 16:9 for screens. Save right away to avoid losing work and pick a clear file name and folder. Next, add a title slide. Click the placeholder text and type. This first save and title step prevents accidental closure loss and organizes your work before you build content. Once you have a title, add content slides and choose appropriate layouts to match your message. Use Insert to bring in images, icons, and charts, then adjust sizes and alignment with the Format toolbar so elements are balanced. Make consistent choices. Apply a design theme and edit the slide master to lock fonts, colors, and footer elements across all slides. This saves time and keeps the deck cohesive. When done, preview in Slide Sorter to check flow and remove redundant slides or clutter. Finish by rehearsing your timing and polishing transitions so the presentation feels natural. Use rehearsed timings if you need auto advance. Export options let you save a PDF for handouts or a video for sharing while keeping the PPTX editable. Before presenting, test on the actual laptop and projector and make sure screen resolution matches. If slides stutter or media won't play, check file size and codec compatibility. Update graphics drivers and temporarily disable PowerPoint add-ins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.